Do you make top of bid adjustments? So you're talking about bid placements. You're talking about the bid placements for some of the campaigns you can run are top of search, rest of search, and product pages. Yes, 100%. I love doing those. Now, you only do those after your campaign's been running for like a few weeks and you got some really good data coming in. You've turned off what's not profitable. You got some targets that are making money and they're profitable. Your overall ACoS is like not bad. Then yeah, 100%, you can start adjusting those top of placements or those placements, bid placements, to increase the thing. Because when you make adjustments there, you adjust everything. So if you adjust it like 50% and you haven't figured out what targets are like wasting money, you increase the bids on those targets wasting money by 50%. That's a fast way to lose money. So that's why bid adjustments come after you've cleaned up the campaigns.